is what we got. Lock Chubb, key lock, an unknown com. So I tried some factory numbers in there, but don't know what. But they're not working, so I don't know what the code is. So I'll have a little go, see if I can manipulate it. Okay, so I'm just looking for a low spot at the minute. So I think I found one, possibly a number. So if we go to say 37.5, turn it back to contacts. Okay, we're sitting on 13. I'm going to turn that to 35. Try and get you zoomed in better. Yeah, 35. Contact. You can see that's not a 13 anymore. Sitting at 12.5. So that's a low spot. I decided to stick the auto dialer on it, and it's Friday, so we'll come back on Monday. Hopefully it'll be open. That's if I set it up right. I can't actually find the instructions at the minute, but I'm pretty sure that's almost right. Okay, so I've come in and it said it hasn't found the dropping point. So it looks like we'll have to drill this one open. But the key locks as well, so maybe I didn't set the machine up properly, or maybe the lock is a bit knackered. Who knows? We'll put a hole in it and have a look. Okay, so if we have a look at that. Okay. So what we want is when we're taking a reading, we want that mark. It needs to move. Maybe something like that. So that's high. So that was dialed 40. Now if we do, so we've got 90, 40 and 5. So I'm going to dial 90, 42 once, twice, or 42.5, and then 5 once, twice. Take it around to contact. If we hold it, that has travelled, not as deep. Okay, it's only a fraction, but that's probably going to be the gate, I reckon. So I'll leave that one there, and then test the last wheel. Gate manipulation, but it wasn't happening. So I've drilled it, and now that's where my hole is. So I'm going to decode this. Hopefully it's going to come open, and then I've got the key lock to pick open.